Okay, so here's an update for you. So me and my mom are figuring out how to unscrew the battery cover, and apparently it worked. And now we can finally turn it on and see what pitch is in. So here we go. It seems really low. It seems low pitch. It seems low pitch. Let me just move it from somewhere that's flat surface. You're excited, little buddy. So here are some features. You can tap the nose. It does that. Right now the mood is lonely, so you can do this. No bark at you, and you can also do this. Yeah, for tapping its foot. You could touch metal. It's doing hard. Touch the up. Kind of works. Also, the tail works fine, but I'm not gonna pull it because I don't want to upset him. So now I'm gonna show its mood lonely. Oops. That was nice, isn't it? So, yeah. You can also do this. It was surprised that this is on low pitch. So, yeah, and here's the right side and there's the left side. Nothing very much about it. Overall, this looks pretty cool. So I'm gonna turn it off. So that's about it from this video update. Thanks for watching.